Using mirrors are one of the most essential tools to make sure that you have dope 360 wave connections. But some of you may be wondering, what type of mirror do you have to have exactly? A circular one or a rectangular one? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you that none of that matters and that you can get 360 waves with any mirror type, including a broken one.
I've been going crazy, plug in, can't play me, Jesus done saved me, can't switch, won't sway me.
What's up, you guys? Before we get into today's video, I just want to quickly drop this message saying Happy New Year to my fellow Ninja Wavers and to all of my subscribers who are subscribed to this channel. All right, let's give God some praise and glory for getting us through 2023 and bringing us into a new year. Now, going forward, this year is going to mainly cover videos going over advanced techniques and tips, whereas last year was more so the starter phase. All right, so you guys look forward to that. Now, this video was actually supposed to be published a couple of days before New Year's, but I was spending some time with my family, so here it is. But thank you guys so much for your support, and drop your New Year's resolution down in the comment section below. Let's get it. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, the Ninja Waver here, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to brush your 360 waves using a broken mirror.
Boy!
The funny thing about this video is I actually did not intend on making this video anytime soon until the dreaded moment came. Your boy broke his mirror. That's when it occurred to me, maybe I could make a video on how to brush your hair with a broken mirror, because I'm pretty sure some of you guys may have been in this same situation and thought,
oh man, I don't have enough money to go buy a new mirror.
well, do not fret, because I'm going to show you guys that it really does not matter. You can still use this broken mirror. Let's hop right into it. So the main thing with using a broken mirror when brushing your waves is you do not actually have to see your full head, all right? You only need to see the portion of the head that you're brushing when you're using your mirror, right? So if you look at mine, right, obviously I could use these small pieces as well, but that would be a lot more difficult and I would have to squint to see it. But if you have a large segment here and you can still see at least a portion of where you're brushing, then congratulations, you can still use this mirror, all right? Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Now, as you guys can see my eyes, right? But if I was actually in the bathroom using this mirror, I would be able to see this portion of my head, right? I wouldn't be able to see my whole head, but I can still see a portion of my head, which is all you really need, all right? It's not rocket science. So I'm gonna show you guys that all you gotta do is just brush your waves just like this. As long as you can see the portion of your head, that's all that matters. And then you just move and rotate your mirror like so. So if you're gonna move to the back, you brush the back. Same thing. You need to brush the left side, rotate the mirror to the left side, and make sure that small segment can be seen. All that matters. That's it. That does it, pretty much. That's how you can brush your waves using a broken mirror. Now, the only time you actually have to get a whole new mirror is, of course, if the whole glass is just shattered and there's no glass segment for you to see your reflection. If that's the case, make sure you go get yourself a new mirror, all right? But be sure to check out some of my other videos. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if this video provided any type of value. Stay safe. Salute to my wave troops. I'm out.